and then a teleprompter that didn't work. These are the two things I got from the United Nations, a bad escalator and a bad teleprompter.
You're going to push Zelensky for peace, President Trump.
So he's trying to go up the escalator. You see it's working. The moment they get on, it stops.
President Trump.
And then they just walk up. Super weird.
We all know Elon Musk, but a lot of you might not know Wernher von Braun, the original rocket man, the director of NASA during all the moon missions. And did you know that Wernher von Braun just happened to predict that a man named Elon would conquer Mars in a book he wrote in 1952? Wow, what an amazing coincidence. Or is it predictive programming? But I knew about this one a long time ago. But what I just figured out, some of you are not ready for, because I know that they can either age reduce or they're fallen angels and they don't die, but you probably don't. So look at that, and look at that. It's almost like that was removed and now there's a hole there. And don't worry, I circle them again. There's a hole where that used to be. And those marks seem to be in the exact same place. But hold on, there's many more. Like how Werner had a big old scar right there, like a big old hole in his face. Not to mention, look at those eyes. And then it almost looks like there was a hole that used to be there, but they tried to fill it in right there. But keep giving me time. Let's look at these little marks right here. Right there. Oh, I circle bad. Bad circling. Those two and those two. Right there. Kind of like they're in the same spot. Almost like these two moles. Those were moles. And oh, now we just have scars where those moles used to be. Wow. Again, what an amazing coincidence. You want to see more of coincidence? How their faces fit perfectly together, and you will see in the exact same alignment. Mouth and nose. Watch how that eyebrow. Nope. Adjustment. Watch how the eyebrow smooths over exact on both sides. Eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, and yeah, it changed his nose a little bit. But of course, all this is just for entertainment purposes, people. I don't really think they can either age reduce through technology or blood from young people who have been scared and have adrenaline in it. Or maybe they're just fallen angels. But I don't really think that. It's just satirical humor, and I create this stuff out of thin air and just happen to find the exact same 8 birthmarks on them because I'm lucky. I mean, they don't even look like they could be the same person, even though even their wrinkles match. Oh, and this is the dumbed down version. If you want a full-on truth, linking this and this and this, go to my subs only video. It's 10 minutes long, filled with a lot more detail. I literally have to dumb it down for the masses, or they don't let it fly. Entertainment only, people.